my name is Kalyan. Welcome back to Tech Nuggets. Today I'm going to talk about why prescriptive analytics will become the future of data analytics. So to make this topic a little easy to understand, let me take an analogy of a doctor and a patient. Let's say you're having a fever and you use some prescription on your own and it's not working out, so you went to a doctor. So what will the doctor do? Basically, he will tell you, go do all these tests and you come back. So once he looks at the tests and everything, he will say, hey, either it's a viral fever or whether you have an infection or something, and based on that, he will give you medicine. So this is like a descriptive analytics. Basically, you are trying to understand what is there and you are trying to come to a conclusion. So it's like why do you have a fever and how do you solve it? So that is descriptive analytics. Let's go a little further. I'm sure everybody would have heard about 23andMe. There is a website that figures out who are your forefathers and also tells you whether you're going to have a heart attack or diabetics or something like that in your future. So there, basically, they're looking at your genome and your DNA, and they're trying to figure out how much percentage of chance you have to get cancer or diabetics or heart attack. So they will basically give you a chart that says, okay, 20% of the chance that you will get a heart attack within the next 20 years or 30 or something like that. And based on that, you can actually change your diet, change your exercise and everything, and basically live a good life. So this is predictive analytics. Basically, looking at your genome or your DNA that has all the data about yourself and your forefathers and everything. It's trying to tell you it's basically giving you some advice on how to live longer. So that's basically our output, right? How long can we live? So how do you live? By avoiding not getting heart attack or diabetics or whatever. So that is predictive analytics. So there is one more type of analytics, that is prescriptive. How does that work? Okay, I don't have a live example that is actually available in the market, but if anybody has seen any sci-fi movies or anything, especially the movie called The Island, there our protagonist actually goes to the bathroom, he brushes his teeth, he does his daily ritual. By the time he finishes his daily ritual, there will be a notice that comes on top of the mirror that says, hey, your iron levels are low or your calcium is low, you have to eat this kind of breakfast today. Or it says, okay, your fat content is high, you need to do some exercises. So by the time he finishes his things in the bathroom and goes out to have a breakfast, there is a breakfast already prepared by the AI and gives it to you. Either you like it or not, you have to eat it. So this is like something like prescriptive analytics. Basically what's happening here is, it's based on your activity right now, it's already figuring out what would be the problem and it's already giving a solution to you on how to solve that issue. So that's where all our data analytics also going, prescriptive analytics. So if you have more questions about prescriptive analytics and if you want to know more about any other upcoming technologies, please look up for more tech nuggets from Zuci. Thank you.